Elephants are the largest of all land mammals, but they walk softly, on tiptoe, with thickly padded shock absorbers surrounding the bone. Nose and upper lip stretch out into a long trunk, loaded with 150,000 muscles. This boneless limb acts as a hose, nose and hand. The elephant's legs are adapted to support great weight on bones built like pillars. The evolution of this marvelous modern mammal began over 50 million years ago. Ancient ancestors looked more like pigs than elephants. Short legs, long body, and a stubby, flexible nose served these animals well enough in the marshy regions they called home. Over the next 10 to 20 million years, generation after generation of elephant ancestors increased in size, naturally selected for success in a changing environment. As they grew taller, the animal's lower jaw elongated beyond the upper and allowed them to continue to feed on the ground. Their snouts began to take the shape of a trunk and covered the lower jaw. Elephants' heads, weighted with heavier trunks, needed the support of shorter, stiffer necks. But long lower jaws proved more cumbersome than a multitasking tubular limb. Trunks were naturally selected over droopy jaws and allowed the tall animals to feed, drink, bathe and lift heavy objects. Nostrils shifted to the tip of the trunk. Now elephants had built-in snorkels and could breathe while submerged in water. Approaching predators could be sniffed out. Today, 2 species of elephants roam territories in Asia and Africa. The easiest way to tell the difference between them is to look at their ears. Asian elephants have smaller ears than African elephants. Natural selection makes each the right size. Elephant ears are actually giant cooling systems. As the elephants heat up, they are able to open more and more blood vessels in their ears. All 450 litres of an elephant's blood can be run through the ears in 20 minutes. Flapping their ears cools the blood before it returns to the body. African elephants, exposed to longer periods of sun, need bigger cooling systems than Asian elephants. Random changes in the genetic makeup of each species allowed them to evolve to suit their specific environments.